Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today we're diving into the exciting updates coming with the 2026 Renault Captur, a subcompact crossover that's about to get a serious glow up. If you're into compact SUVs that offer a smooth blend of style, tech, and efficiency, the next-gen Captur is definitely something you'll want to keep an eye on. Renault has built a reputation for making the Captur stand out in the urban SUV market, and the 2026 model is expected to turn things up a notch. It's keeping that iconic two-tone color combo, but things are getting sleeker and sharper. At the front, a more sculpted grille and slimmer LED headlights are likely, giving it a cleaner, more upscale look. Around the back, a full-width light bar could be introduced, which not only looks futuristic, but also gives it a more premium presence on the road. Spy shots even suggest subtle aerodynamic tweaks like flush door handles and larger wheels, small changes that make a big impact on both efficiency and style. Renault's also expected to go greener, using sustainable materials like lightweight metals and recycled polymers to cut down on emissions without cutting corners on quality. Step inside, and the Captur is aiming for a more high-end, tech-forward vibe. You can expect a bigger and more responsive touchscreen that's perfect for navigation and streaming, along with upgraded smartphone connectivity and a sharper digital driver display. It's not just about tech, though. Renault's putting serious thought into comfort. The seats are rumored to get a redesign for better ergonomics, and there'll likely be more room overall for both passengers and luggage. On top of that, features like ambient lighting and better soundproofing could make every ride feel a little more luxurious. Now, let's talk power. The 2026 Captur is expected to come with a next-gen hybrid system that makes it more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly than ever. The trusty 1.3-liter turbo engine will probably stick around, but with better tuning to reduce emission. More exciting is the rumored plug-in hybrid version, which could offer over 50 miles of electric-only range, perfect for everyday driving. And with improved fuel economy, potentially over 60 mpg combined, this little SUV is looking smarter than ever. Renault might also bring in a smoother automatic transmission with extra gears to make the drive feel even more refined. The big reveal is set for late 2025, with the first deliveries rolling out in early 2026. Prices are expected to start around $28,000, with top trims reaching up to $35,000. It's shaping up to be one of Renault's most well-rounded and exciting vehicles yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.